Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today we're going to be taking a look at this NAD amplifier. The model number of it is 2100 power amplifier. This thing's really awesome. It's got a very basic setup, and it's really designed for an audiophile so that you can get maximum quality from your CD player and sound system. But let's go ahead and talk about this. On the front of it, you've got a really simple design. You've got your clickable power button right there. Then down here you've got your A and B speakers. You can have both on at the same time or both off. And then you can adjust the left output and right output independently. And right here it says it's a monitor series power amplifier, power envelope 2100. Then let's spin it around and take a look at the back. On the rear panel of it, it says it was made in Taiwan. The power rating is 120 volts. And then over here, you've got an interesting kind of connection. You've got normal and lab connections, and then you've also got the adjustment to switch between the two. And just so you understand what those are, I'm gonna read something directly from the manual. And what the manual says is connect the signal cable from your preamplifier either to the normal input jacks or the lab input jacks. The normal inputs contain minimum phase, infrasonic, and ultrasonic filters, whose purpose is to remove non-musical signals at frequencies below 10 Hz and above 40 kHz due to turntable rumble, disc warps, radio frequency interference, tracing distortion, and more. These inputs should be used especially if your preamplifier lacks such filtering. The lab inputs bypass these filters, providing extended response at infrasonic and ultrasonic frequencies. The normal inputs are going to have more filtering, and the lab inputs are going to have less filtering. And furthermore, signals fed into the lab inputs go directly to the amplifier circuit without passing through the switch contacts. So basically, you should be careful about what devices you connect right here, but they can definitely improve your system and deliver a more impressive sound and audio experience. And down here, you can use the soft clipping adjustment. You can turn that on or off. Then you've got bridging and impedance adjustments. You're gonna have to unscrew the screws if you want to adjust those. Then you've got enough connections right here for 4 different speakers. And then you can connect up to 2 different power devices right there so that you don't have to mess with a power strip or anything. And another important thing to note is that this will deliver 50 watts per channel with stereo on, and it will deliver 150 watts per channel with mono on. And this is capable of using 4 or 8 ohm speakers with the impedance adjustment right there. So that was all the basics of this NAD power envelope amplifier. This thing is exactly what your sound system is missing. It's gonna deliver amazing sound. If you're looking to get one of these, make sure you give us a call at For the Low, and you can order online or over the phone. Thanks for watching.